We're doing a little greenhouse modification today. We have these rolling raised beds for all these various herbs. Unfortunately, the soil just kind of sits damp in here, and so we wanted to put a drain in. So we used some of these 1/2-inch poly landscaping lines. That blue part that you see there is a screen, and we cut the fitting off, dropped it down into the pot itself after drilling the hole larger, and then got the push fit. I think it's 1/2-inch semi-hard line, plastic hard line. So this one is essentially 1 inch below, and then over here they're tied together, and then the next will be 3 inches below, so we'll have some slope towards the back of the greenhouse. And then once I get this one in place, then I'll measure and decide how far out the greenhouse that I want it to go, and I'll drill a hole to fit the 1/2-inch line on the back side. And then this rolling planter that's by itself, I'm not going to connect them because it's in the way of the humidifier, etc. And I'll just drill a separate hole, and then that can drain out to the back rather than all over on the floor in here. And that's it for today.